Hi, I'm Paige Hughes from Lincoln Electric, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the mechanized TIG system. The M85 is already mounted on the pipe. I've got my track ring installed for the appropriate pipe diameter. My wire feeders are on the head already, and I'm going to show you how to load wire and adjust the front end. I'm going to load wire with my wire feeders out straight, and then once the spools are on, I can tuck them in. I always hang on to the spool. You don't want the wire to unravel. I hit my wire feed button on the pendant, and it's that easy. Now I tuck the wire feeder platform in, close to the circumference of the pipe. Now I'm going to show you the adjustment levers on the torch. Everything is color-coded red for easy visibility. This is my work angle, the lever on top, lead lag, the torch clamp for your height adjustment. I can use my wire manipulator adjustment knob at the top to set my wire exactly where I want it underneath the tungsten. And then the big knob on the right that adjusts the wire height. I will set my gap, my tungsten to wire gap, about 1/8 or 3 millimeters so the wire doesn't hit the tungsten when I start to weld. Then I'll feed the wire back in, and I'm ready to weld. For more information on this and other exciting products, please visit lincolnelectric.com, and thank you for watching.